Hello viewers, once again welcome back to Life and More. So today I'm going to show you how to make an espresso coffee cake. Watch till the end for the easy recipe. Here I got an 8-inch loaf pan and we need to brush this pan nicely with some melted butter and place a butter paper on it so that our cake can be demolded easily. Now let's make our dry ingredients ready. So we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. We need to sieve this and mix this very well. Also, preheat your oven 180 degrees for 10 minutes. So our dry ingredients are ready. So let's do the wet ingredients. We need 100 grams of butter and beat until it's very creamy. Then we need to add 1 cup of powdered sugar and beat very well until you achieve a very creamy texture. Also, all our wet ingredients and dry ingredients must be on room temperature. Here the butter and the powdered sugar is blending very well. Now this is the time we need to add 2 eggs and the eggs must be on room temperature and beat very well again and beat at least for 5 minutes until you achieve a very creamy color and a texture, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla in between. Here you can see how the mixture beautifully turned up, and this is the time we're going to add the flour very slowly and gently to the mixture and add as 3 parts, and do not beat from now, just fold the mixture. Here you can see the batter is getting thicker, so we should have half a cup of milk ready, and we have to add this as 3 parts and fold the mixture. Do not beat. The batter is perfectly folded. This is the time the most important ingredient, espresso coffee powder. I have added 2 tablespoons of espresso coffee powder with 3 tablespoons of water and blend the mixture and adding gently to the mixture and fold it again. We should achieve this ribbon consistency to get the perfect espresso coffee cake. Once you pour the batter, tap the cake pan 3 to 4 times to release the air and transfer it to the preheated oven 180 degrees for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, our cake is beautifully made. So this espresso coffee cake is that kind of a cake you want to bake more and more and more and eat more and more and more. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. See you soon with another interesting one. Till then, bye-bye.